Have you ever looked at your Contacts app and noticed that some of your contacts have mysteriously disappeared? Don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some simple fixes to help you get those contacts back and keep them safe. Let's dive right in and solve this issue together. Solution 1. Turn off and on iCloud contacts. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, select iCloud from the list. Then click on See All to view more options. Scroll down a bit and find the Contacts option. Now, toggle the Contacts switch off and choose Keep on My iPhone from the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle Contacts back on. After that, select Merge to combine any data. Finally, check to see if your contacts are back. Solution 2. Update iOS to the latest version. Start by opening the Settings app once more. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, download and install it. After that, check to see if your contacts issue is resolved. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. For this solution, open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now, select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings once more. Your settings will now reset. After that, the issue should be fixed. If the problem persists, try logging out of your Apple ID and logging back in. It should resolve the issue. So that's how you can fix the problem of your iPhone randomly deleting contacts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.